Hey there guys, today we're going to be speeding up your Android device by changing a couple settings. Let's get started. Alright, so to get started all we have to do is go to your settings, your system settings, scroll all the way down to developer options. Make sure that tab is clicked on to on, otherwise you will not be able to go through these. And you're going to scroll down until you see the window animation scale or the transition animation scale. All of these affect the way that the screen appears upon your actual application of launching something. So say I want to open up my email, that animation, we're going to speed that up. So we're going to go to system settings, like I said, developer options, and we're going to click into that setting real quick, window animation scale, and what we can do is put it at 0.5 times or animation off. That's going to make it faster. If you go up in scale, then it's going to make it slower. So we can do the 0.5 because the off animation, it just makes everything look kind of too rigidy. So we're going to do that for all three of these settings real quick. Alright, now we can go back home and launching the mail one more time. As you can see, it's a lot faster. Opening up your application tray and going back home, all these things, they're going to be a lot faster. Whether or not it makes your phone faster or loading the application faster is besides the point. It makes the animation faster to actually start the loading of the application faster. Next thing we're going to look at is kind of semi overclocking your processor. You're going to go into your settings and then go down to performance. Click OK, just telling you cautionary stuff. You're going to click into processor, and right here it's going to give you a current and then CPU governor, all that good stuff. And right here are the two interesting things that you want to look at, the minimum and maximum. What we're going to do is up the minimum CPU usage, which is going to allow the processor to idle around whatever megahertz that we want it to be. So right now I'm just going to put it to 648, and as you can see in the current CPU frequency, it says that it is at 648 megahertz. So it's pretty much waiting for you to launch something, so it's going to be a lot faster instead of having to reach back and go faster. Now if you'd like this to go on every time that you boot up the phone or anything, you can also click on set on boot, or you can just come in here and change it whenever you need the extra power to multitask. So go back from there, and right here we're going to go to memory management. From there we're going to click ZRAM, and we're going to set a compression percentage. So if you set that to 26%, this is going to compress all of the memory that the actual phone brings in, and it's going to compress it down so you can fit more into the actual RAM. Next setting we have is allow purge of assist. What this does is purge of bitmap memory assets, allows the freeing of more RAM when needed. All of these things are going to need a reboot required also. And right here we're going to have kernel same page merging. This is going to do the same thing, physical memory requirements and and it's going to improve your performance. Click on that also, and all of this is going to increase the actual speed of your phone. The next simple thing that most people do not realize actually affects their phone is actually having apps that you do not use on your phone. It takes up memory, it takes up processing power to load up the image and the apps, all of that stuff. So if you don't have something, then go ahead and, or if you don't use it, then go ahead and uninstall it. It's as easy as that. And if you get down to the minimalistic stuff that you have on your phone that you actually use, then it will actually speed up your operating system. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, then go ahead and comment below or PM me. I read both. And if you have any future videos that you'd like to watch, then go ahead and PM me or comment also, and we will try and get those videos out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.